Hi, welcome to the introduction of Notebot. Notebot is a venture that makes custom WhatsApp bots for businesses. Here, businesses refer to especially small and micro businesses. So, let me introduce myself. I'm Abhishek Kumar, Director of Social Services Private Limited, and I have managed Yardoot previously, and now I'm managing Notebot. I have also received special recognition for Yardoot from Times of India, and I graduated from BMU Punjab University. Along with this, I also received special recognitions from Startup India, DIP, iStart by Rajasthan Government, Chhattisgarh Government, Times of India, Digital Cloud, Amazon, etc. What is actually Notebot? Notebot is a venture that allows small and medium businesses to automate all their WhatsApp processes. If something can be done on internet, it can be done on WhatsApp using Notebot. We can make IVR bots or integrate bots with AI. You can integrate it with database, website, app, anything. What are the features that can be done using Notebot? You can book appointment, track appointments, take payments, take feedbacks, queries, complaints, place orders, track status of orders, cancel orders, take quizzes, surveys, OTPs, etc. using WhatsApp. And all these can be automated using Notebot also. Now the places where it can be used. It can be used at medical institutions, educational institutions, real estate, e-commerce, cloud kitchen, courier services, hyperlocal delivery. Everything that uses internet can use this service also. These are a few demos for Notebot. Now moving to the main thing, that is the revenue model, is simple. We take a setup charge. The highest price is 50,000 rupees, and after that every month we take a subscription charge that ranges between 2,000 to 10,000 rupees. Our main competitors are Vati, Gupshup, Yellow Messenger, Twilio, Carix, and other WhatsApp API providers. They are our competitors, but our service providers also, because we use their APIs to make the bots. Our main advantage is that no one is providing tailor-made solutions specifically to the needs of these micro and small enterprises, and we will cater to those. This is the roadmap. We are already in the 7th stage, our current stage, where we are onboarding various customers. Currently we have customers from 4 different countries, including India, UAE, Pakistan, and Israel. That's all for the Notebot. If you would like to get connected, you can always mail to me at the provided email ID, or you can visit notebot.tech for more information. I hope you liked my presentation, and I'm hoping to move to the next level. Thank you.